Breaking news coming out of Chester, an earthquake has struck the area of Blacon, with local primary school J.H. Godwin at the epicentre of this rare occurrence. We bring you exclusive CCTV footage from inside the school at the time of the impact. We spoke to some of those affected.
My first thought wasn't earthquake. I didn't know if there was an explosion, if something else had happened that was making the building shake so much. I was just marking, and it was the least thing that I would expect ever.
No, I didn't understand what was happening. Miss Begum and Miss Tutton were in the room with me, and we were just as shocked at each other. All the classroom furniture and pens and pencils flew all over the room. I was in a complete state of shock.
I was doing my work at my desk, and that I just felt the room shake. I didn't know what it was at first. Me and Miss Lewis just grabbed hold of each other. We got a little bit frightened, but now knowing that it was an earthquake, I'm shocked.
The earthquake, whilst causing no casualties, did provide a bit of a scare to staff and even the local wildlife too. To understand more, we spoke to an expert in seismology.
Of course, this is highly unusual but not an impossible event. A localised earthquake registering around 3.8 on the Richter scale. That level of earthquake would result in items falling from shelves and possibly some minor damage to weak structures around the direct vicinity of the epicentre. This kind of earthquake is probably not the result of tectonic activity as most earthquakes are, but could be due to subsidence in the local area, perhaps an old mine shaft or subterranean cavern collapsing. Equally, this could be a man-made incident. For example, if enough people jump in the same place at the same time, they can cause small movements in the ground around them. However, these would not register above 1 on the Richter scale, and it is unlikely that they are the cause of today's particular earthquake. What is? It would take further investigation of the surrounding area and data from scientific monitoring stations to truly determine the cause.
Professor Phil Nottingham from the British Geological Survey team there. So here's how the events unfolded. Head teacher Mrs. Wetton alerted the authorities around 4 p.m. after classes had ended for the day. The BGS then confirmed it was indeed an earthquake measuring 3.8 on the Richter scale. Shortly after, our team arrived on the scene to hear from those on site. An eventful day for the teachers at J.H. Godwin Primary, and it's going to take a lot more than this little guy to clean this mess up. Jack Ambrose reporting from Blacon.